I'm Peter Kibby. I'm Vice President of Brunk Companies. I've been in the industry, this will be my 36th year, and I've mainly worked for Caterpillar and John Deere dealers. Back in 2020, I was laid off for COVID and came to work for Jason as his general manager. In 4 years, we have grown the company from 35 employees to over 120 employees. So some of the things we do is we do clearing, we do demolition work, we do major projects. Some of our customers are Miller Brewery, Cohen Brothers. We also do a lot of work for Duke Energy. We're very excited about the future. We've over doubled in size, both with personnel and volume over the last 4 years. And looking forward, we would like to get to probably the $30 million range, which that'd be almost 3 times the size of where we were back in 2020. We do touch a truck here in Monroe. We also do some things with the police department here in Monroe. We do touch a truck where we take some of our new trucks down to Aero, down to Sharonville, Ohio. And then we are starting a new venture with AMS, our partners with parts, where we're going to do a touch a truck and bring some equipment in for the city of Middletown. We try to stay involved with the communities. We sponsor baseball teams, we sponsor soccer teams. We do a lot of different things for employees. What's tough is to keep the family feel, small company feel, even though we're growing. And the way we do that is we drive that through our culture. I think our culture, we attract a lot of employees because this is just a good place to work. I think it's easy to be financially driven as you grow companies, and we do the other where we are personnel. One of the most important things for us is uptime. When our equipment is down, we are not able to make money. I think what people don't think about with downtime is not only do you lose the current production, but you throw your future production off. We have a very valued partner with AMS. When we call them and they understand that we're down, they do the best they can to get us something right away. And the sooner we can get our equipment running, get back to our schedule, then we can make money. Lost time is never, you can never make it back up. Something that we've discussed here recently with AMS is stocking some parts that we might need if we have a breakdown. And they recently came in and interviewed us. Looked at the equipment that we have, and then looked at some of the components that they could stock for us, which will help us with our downtime. We also value for our customers and doing our projects on time, doing our projects according to budget, and any issues, communicating that with our customers. I think that one of the things that's been lost in the industry is communication. Everybody wants to send an email or a text. And we believe in face-to-face or phone calls. And I think this separates us from some of the other companies. If you're looking for an honest and reliable contractor who will meet budget and get your project done on time, you want Brunk to do your job for you. We're not necessarily the cheapest, nor do we want to be, but we are a value. And what we tell you we're going to do, we will do. My relationship with Daniel Million of AMS Parts, he's the CEO and owner. And at one point, Daniel worked for me at John Deere, and I took him under my wing. And I'm so proud of what he's done with his company. And because of this relationship, we continue to do business with Daniel and his people. He doesn't always have to be the cheapest, but I do know that we will get service. If we have an issue, it's taken care of. The parts are expedited on time, and that if they can't get us a part, they're honest with us and tell us they can't do it. Vendors will string you along until they can try to figure something out, but with our relationship with AMS, they give us an answer right away so that if we have to go a different direction, we can, and that's very valuable to us. Because time's money. The shorter the downtime, the better it is for us. And we value our partnership with AMS.